I'm Lorna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is part 3 of my doll haul. I started to film this, and my cameraman said, "That's not your doll." What? So we're gonna wait on this video. 'Tis the season to buy a bunch of dolls. I got lucky again. Walmart had some dolls on sale, and I happened to find them. I got some great deals. Darren told me to buy more than one, and I didn't listen. And now I'm kicking myself for not getting at least 2 of Violet in the cheerleader outfit for $10. Yes, you heard me correct. $10. I am delighted. I'm going to open this one first because I think this is something from Darren, by the way it was all brought to my attention. This, can you see the dust on this? Okay, we live in a rural area with a lot of gravel roads. In fact, we live on a gravel road. We have a long gravel driveway. That didn't happen there. This was supposed to have come, and then it was put back a day, and then it was put back another day, and then it was put back 2 more days, and it finally got here. I'm wondering, how long did it ride around in the rural truck van to get to us? Did I just show our address?
I don't know.
Is it a problem?
Not with me.
Okay. You want to send me happy mail? I'll give you my address. All right. What is in this Walmart box? I know what we ordered. Wasn't that long ago that I forgot, like I sometimes forget with AliExpress when I order dolls and then I order like extras. It's like, oh yeah. Okay, I can't put this on the floor anymore. Oh. Put this over here in case the puppy wakes up and comes. Okay, yeah. Wait till you see what I got for $30. Oh, wow. They are beautiful. Yes, $30. What the heck is this?
That's why you got it for $30.
I think it's like, I'm going to pretend like
the puppy can have that.
Yeah, came from the box or something. But I got what I call the fire and ice. Aren't they gorgeous? Just gorgeous. And I have seen the box opening on these, and look at those purses. They are made like purses. I mean, they're clothing, and they have really nice shoes. But their accessories even are so well made. For $30, very worth it. I wanted to show this. I am doing another collab coming up this winter for knitting and crocheting. And as I was looking for patterns for that, I found some hat patterns for dolls, mostly American Girl dolls, which will also fit Blythe. On those little knitting looms. And so Darren is going to 3D print me a loom. So he bought me the hooks, tools, whatever you want to call it, so that I'll be able to try that. Now, whether my wrists will let me do that or not, I don't know. Let's see what's in here.
If our 3D printer ever prints again.
Oh, we're waiting.
For yet more parts.
Oh, we really had a little tragedy with our poor 3D printer. Darren has tried to fix it. Ooh, this is in here funny. Record how it's in here so that if there is a problem, it is a rainbow high. Ah, I know who it is. Thank you very much. This was on sale at the same time as the twins. And I decided I wanted the twins, and Darren decided I need them both. Very cool. So I got Jet Dawson for $30. I love her little accessories, the sewing machine and the, I can't think what it's called. Not mannequin, I can't think. Anyway, really, really beautiful doll with the rainbow and black, which I love, love, love. My Barbie, which is the rainbow Barbie that came out, oh, I don't know, a couple of years ago with the rainbow hair, my 28-inch. It's white with rainbow. Oh, I love it. Thank you very much, Darren. Thank you all for watching. This is part 3 of a doll haul. And wait till you see what I open Christmas Eve. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.